Carol and I run Sparkle Solutions. We are a service facilities management business and I've been in business for 2.5 years. My biggest challenge to date has been expanding into new services. So predominantly we started as a cleaning business and then I saw a gap in the market for an all-in-one branded service business. So we expanded into handyman, property maintenance and gardening services. We did that all at once. So in future going forward it would probably be to launch one new service at a time. I'd say my proudest moment was when I graduated and then a couple of months later won Young Entrepreneur of the Year in the South Wales Business Awards. And for me that was a proud moment because it actually showed me that I could do it, and if I could do that in 1 year, what could I do in 5 or what could I do in 10? My best marketing advice is to look after your customers and your marketing strategy will look after itself. Word of mouth is a very powerful tool. Big Ideas Wales was sort of the launching point for me into knowing that I could expand further to become an all-in-one service business rather than just the cleaning services that we offered. Business Wales as well, just for general advice, anything you're not too sure on. Also, my local council in Neath Talbot, applying to them for funding was very straightforward, very easy, and we managed to wrap both of our vehicles, our van and our car, with that then. I think the main characteristic of a successful business person is integrity. I think you have to be a good, honest person to want to create a team and build a brand. My first top tip for business is to trust your gut instinct. You can listen to other people's advice, but ultimately at the end of the day it's your decision. My second piece of advice would be to look after your staff. Happy staff make a happy business, and without them you can't grow your business to become what you aim for it to be. And my third top tip would be to look after yourself. And this is an important one, so don't feel guilty when you're taking some time out for yourself. Don't feel guilty if you haven't finished all of that paperwork. If I had to choose a business guru, I would choose Tony Robbins, purely because of his research and great skills into leadership and management. I think he'd be perfect for myself as a small business owner who wants to create and build a national brand.